we are covering the tips and tricks you should know before filling the action items. Let's start, shall we? First, we have to put 12 zeros if you don't have any UAN number. Okay, universal account number actually, which is given by the organization. If you are fresher, just put 12 digit of 0. Okay, you no need to worry. If you have already UAN number, just put it there. That's it. And second one, if you got the date section, you have to put the date of joining of your, not the date you are actually filling the form. Okay. And second one, if you are filling question number 11 and 12 in the APF form, then you have to fill the part B, second module, whatever you call it. And if you're fresher, you don't have to fill part B, you have to fill part A. Okay, only. Employee ID, if there's a section, you have to put the employee ID. Just leave it blank. You don't need to take any chances to postpone your date of joining, yeah, or any safety measures. Yeah, if you don't know where to find your candidate ID, you have in your OL, in starting section of your OL, you got the candidate ID. Signature we should follow or do, like we have two type, what is wet signature and second one is acrobat signature. Just use the acrobat e-sign, because manual signature is, we are not taking chances here, because if you got ignored any of the page of your offer letter or whatever document you are actually filling in and scanning in, so just put a e-sign everywhere. And remember, use e-sign and or just type your name only. Important thing, every document should have same signature. You can't sign it differently in every other document. Remember that. You are not wanting it to postpone your DOJ or onboarding process currently going on. Okay, just remember, put or use same signature you are using in one document. Okay, yeah, I'm clear, I think. Yeah, so, and second question we have, if you need any modification in your name, address or university name or your parents name, and whatever name you want to change or modification you want to do, just wait for the complete the onboarding process. You can do it after the onboarding process, yeah, or you can mail it to your HR or onboarding team. You are getting mail of your meetings and all. Next question we have, if you are wondering we should upload both side of your IDs, so let me clear it for you. Yes, we have to upload the both side of your ID cards. If you did upload the one side of your ID card, you no need to worry, because they will be rejecting it and you can upload it again, so no worry. And question we have, if you are below than level 12, you don't need to fill the ESI form, because you are fresher and you don't have to do that, or you are not eligible to do that. Yeah, and if you already have the ESI form, just fill. Yeah, that's all. That's all things you should remember before filling the action items. And thank you for watching it, and or what we call it, like it, subscribe it, and comment and give the thumbs up.